Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make my lazy chile verde. So if you want to learn how to make this super easy and delicious recipe, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin cooking. Alright guys, I'm going to begin by adding 3 pounds of chuck rolls into my pressure cooker. To that, I'm also going to be adding 2 pounds of chuck tender roast. Of course, if you want to make it all pork, you can do that. To that, we're going to add 2 seasonings of Kender's chile verde, 32 ounces of flame roasted chile verde, and 1 cup of beef broth. We're going to cover it. Okay, so we're going to pressure cook on high for 1 hour. Okay, and after 1 hour, we're going to release the steam. Ready? And once it's done, we're going to open it. And let me tell you, that smells delicious. Okay, we're going to remove our meat. And it should be nice and tender. Okay, so now to our broth, we're going to whisk in our flour. Make sure that you whisk to dissolve the flour and there's no lumps. Okay, so now we're just going to shred our meat. Okay, so once we have our meat all nice and shredded, we're going to return it to our chile verde. We're going to mix it. We're going to switch the setting to saute on our pressure cooker and allow it to cook for 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, our delicious chile verde is done. So now we can get ready to serve. Okay, and I'm just going to be serving it with my cilantro lime rice and of course some pinto beans and flour tortillas. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. It's seriously super easy to make. You don't have to roast your peppers. You don't have to pull out any spices. You know, everything is just there ready for you to put it together. And let me tell you that this is honestly super delicious. And you can enjoy it like that, in burritos, tostadas, however you want to enjoy it. But I am so ready. This is honestly my favorite lazy meal. Perfect, you know, for those busy days. And everybody loves it. So cheers and enjoy. With flour tortillas, perfect combination. The meat is so tender. It's so juicy. The chile verde, it's a little spicy, but of course, you know, if you don't want it to be spicy, then just buy the chiles that are not spicy. But for me, this right here, it's perfect. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how I make my super easy and delicious lazy chile verde. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Share with your friends and family, and if you recommend this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.